All right, hello guys, welcome back. Today is February 18, Wednesday, 7 p.m. Just a quick recap. I know we had FOMC meeting minutes and then a quick outlook for the rest of the week. Starting off with NQ on the daily. Now, I know I had mentioned that we traded into this week and into this wick, and we don't need to see that move higher into FVG, but we ended up getting that move higher into FVG. Um, Two things. First of all, it does look like the body respected the 50% of the wick, and it was just the wick that wicked out of it. And also, wicks really aren't my thing. I just, I let my buddy uh, kind of get into my head. I'm not blaming him, obviously. At the end of the day, I'm a man. I make my own decisions, and it's my money, my model, my strategy. So I don't really like looking at wicks too much. I think I'm gonna stay away from them, but maybe something I can learn down the road. But yeah, we did respect this FVG and respected the wick, and I did take a trade today, which I'll show on MNQ. But the idea was trading into this 1 hour FVG, and then a 15-minute rate of high, and then 15-minute change in state of delivery, and then it looked for that move lower. So if you look on MNQ, that's the trade. This is that 1 hour FVG, 15-minute sweep of high. I entered here, pretty late entry. I almost got stopped out, but I actually did not. Thank, I mean, luckily, I had my stop here just above that. So I'm glad it worked out. I'm not too happy that I was on the wrong side, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna, you know, take it and be grateful. Also, there was a SMT, which is why I took it. There was a 4 hour SMT uh, with YM, if you wanted to take a look at that. But yeah, that's what I did today. And from here, I do expect lower. I expect to go for this rejection block now, finally, first to sweep of this low. And if we don't get that, then I'd be bullish. But it does look like we're starting to respect this as we have wicked away from it. Looking at the dollar has been pretty bullish, which aligns with that bearish NQ, and this is exactly what we wanted to see after we went lower into this FEG and moved higher. Now we're trading through the FEG. It doesn't look like, actually, I'm sorry. I was expecting maybe bearishness because of that wick, but we ended up getting bullishness, and now it looks pretty bullish. We closed above it. I'm looking for maybe this high now. Yeah, looking at ZB. ZB is also looking bearish, which is probably maybe now we align ourselves with NQ, sweeping the high, and now we're moving lower. Inside of this FEG, maybe look for a tracement to discount, while NQ is also bearish. So maybe this could be that break of decoupled market and get us out of that low probability environment. I hope you found this insightful. Take care, be safe.